Hey Knights, it's Miss Cross again. Welcome to day 3 of week 3 of CSI. I thought that today I would go over your assignment again with you. It seems like this is pretty helpful for most of you. And then maybe tomorrow I will post a fun video and we can play a little bit of Jeopardy. So go ahead and open up to Firehouse Dogs. It is the one with the fire truck and there is a little dog driving it. Before we start, let's go ahead and do what we've been doing every day, and let's check out the picture first before we even get started. What do you notice about this picture? So like I already said, it's clearly a fire truck. It says fire engine on it, and it looks like there's a dog, and the dog has spots all over it, and he seems to be driving the truck. It's also, let's make sure that we take a look at the title at the top. So Firehouse Dogs. So that we know that it has something to do with dogs that are at or working in a firehouse. So go ahead and pull this out and we will read it together and then talk about our answers at the bottom. All right. Dalmatians are known as firehouse dogs. They are wonderful dogs. They are fast and have good memories. Dalmatians also get along well with horses. Long ago, fire trucks were pulled by horses. Firefighters used Dalmatians to run ahead of the trucks and clear a path. Today, some firehouses still keep a Dalmatian. They no longer have to run ahead of horses, though. So, the first question asks you about facts and opinions. So before we even read it, I want you to think about what we've talked about facts and opinions. Now, I always like to talk about fact first because I feel like it's the easiest one to remember. Remember, a fact is something that you can prove to be true. So I always use this example, but it's the one that pops to my head first, and it's the sky is blue. Is that a fact or is that an opinion? So remember, it's a fact. I can walk you outside and show you the sky is blue so that you believe me. Remember, an opinion is what you think about something. So I could say, Skittles are the best candy in the world. So a lot of people might think that's true, but can I prove that? If I asked every single person in the world, would everybody agree with me that Skittles were the best candy in the world? Maybe not. So when you're reading number 1, it says write fact or opinion next to each sentence. I will do the first one with you so that you can understand it a little more, but B and C you're going to have to do alone. So letter A says, Dalmatians are known as firehouse dogs. Is that a fact or an opinion? So you can always think, is that something that's true or is that something somebody thinks? I'm going to give you a hint and tell you if you reread the first sentence, it'll give you the answer. So that helps you with number 1. Remember, I'm going to let you do B and C by yourself, but I will help you with number 2. So which sentence is most likely true? So you could also say which sentence is most likely a fact. We just talked about facts are things that are true. So A says fire trucks have other ways to clear a path today. B says Dalmatians still help fight fires. Or C says some firehouses still keep horses. So we're going to go through, and some of them might sound like it's true, but remember, when you have 3 choices, there's always one that's wrong, one that's kind of right, and one that is definitely right. So make sure I would go through and cross out the ones I know for sure are not correct. The last one is something that you can do by yourself. You can write a sentence. All of you know what I expect when you write sentences. What goes at the very beginning of your sentence? It starts with a C, a capital letter. And then remember, at the end of your sentence, you have to put a punctuation mark. So that's either a period or a question mark or an exclamation point. You're writing a fact. So I would say you're probably going to put a period at the end. Remember, right here, all you have to do is write something that is true from the paragraph. So when I go look back up, I would read it one more time and find out, what does it tell you that is true? All you have to do is copy that sentence with, if you choose this one, with the capital that's there and the period that's at the end. So you're going to write it here. Make sure that you use this time to practice your handwriting if you're writing it on paper. It's an awesome time to work on your letters, but also, I'm going to scroll back up. If you have any questions, remember that you can always schedule a tutoring appointment with me from 10 to 10:30. Just shoot me a message on Remind or Teams, and I'd be so happy to set that up for you. Good luck today, Knights, and I will see you soon.